Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu today. I want you all to watch this video. Before you sell your Shiba Inu coins, I know that this particular cryptocurrency has been, garner a lot of attention. A lot of people have been paying attention to this particular market because a couple of influencers, a couple of people with some social media accounts have come through and really tried to pump this cryptocurrency, but instead it was deflated and price completely fell off a cliff. Now, I wanted to come in and speak to you all and show you all what I think the market's about to do. So welcome to everyone who is new to my particular channel. This is what I do. You guys can already see I create price predictions in the market so that we can be prepared and try to forecast where the market is headed to go, all without the confusion. So if you guys want to go ahead and join me, hit me up, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel, because needless to say, what everyone is talking about is not how the market really works. You can actually predict, based on what has already occurred in the past, what's about to happen in the future. You guys want to learn more? Go ahead and hit me up, hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well if you are serious about making money in the cryptocurrency space. Now, you guys can see that I did a video in Shiba Inu on the 23rd of June. You guys haven't seen that video yet. All of my videos, all of my content is still freely available, so you all can learn and continue to see what was going on then to what actually happened now. I was looking for the price in Shiba Inu to go up, right? You guys can see it's been 3 days or 2 to 3 days when I did my video that the market hit our ultimate TP price right there around 1,200 thousandths of a penny right there. 18.29% profitability was had in 3 days. Right there. So I did a video on the 23rd of June, and then on the 26th, we got that 18%. That's how simple the game is. It doesn't require a whole lot of information. It doesn't require using some type of expensive charting software. You don't have to pay someone a subscription fee just to get a trade alert. No, you could have done this for yourself. You guys could have saved some money on top of making it. So let's go ahead and get rid of that, because obviously you guys can see that Shiba Inu is still trending up higher. We're still seeing that the market in Shiba Inu is in a slight uptrend. And as long as that's the case, we're going to maintain that it's going to go up. It's just that simple. Now, the attention that we need to see, though, I really want to point your attention to that downtrend line, which is right here. Do you think this is where the market's going to get rejected and begin to come back down in Shiba Inu? Or do you think we're going to get rejected right now? Because this is a point that the market in Shiba Inu has received some rejection, right? Right there around 1,200 thousandths of a penny. We are embarking on that particular price level right now. What do you think is going to happen? Are we going to continue to see the price of Shiba Inu go up? Guess what? The chart already tells us what to anticipate. So let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Let me go ahead and get rid of this line here, because I want us to pay attention to where we're trying to go. And we have already exhibited that the market in Shiba Inu is trying to rise. It's trying to go up. So we're going to continue to keep that premise. We're going to continue to follow through with what the market is anticipating to go on. Now let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. This is Shiba Inu on a 2-day chart. All right, we got 6 hours and 53 minutes left before this current 2-day price bar ends right here. We want to focus in on this, because at the end of the next 6 hours and 53 minutes, if we see the price in Shiba Inu currently close at the high of the bar like it is right now, we can still anticipate that the market in Shiba Inu is going to go up. Okay, that horizontal line that you guys see right now in front of you won't have any major impact on the buyers trying to push up the price. All right, so the next area that we'll have to focus in on, if it's not going to be around 1,200 thousandths of a penny, then it's going to be around 1,300 thousandths right there. So we're going to focus our attention on that level. If the market in Shiba Inu closes at the high of the bar, that 2-day price bar, then we're going to anticipate the market coming up here to around 1,300 thousandths of a penny, which would bring us towards this descending line as well. See, we're positioning ourselves on when to get in and when to get out. There's no confusion involved in looking at the price. This is the downtrend. This is the overall movement in Shiba Inu from a long-term perspective. We have not seen the price in Shiba Inu break this downtrend line at all. So as we see this market in Shiba Inu approach this 1,300 thousandths of a penny towards this descending line, that's where we're going to be paying attention. Yeah, we're going to have to focus in on what happens. Will the sellers inundate the market and push the price back down in Shiba Inu, or will the market buyers break outside of that descending line? Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and look at Shiba Inu on a different time frame. This is the 5-day chart. And again, you guys can see that we have about 6 hours and 53 minutes left on this current Shiba Inu play. And the market currently is still looking bullish. The market currently is still trying to ride up higher in price towards that 1,300 thousandths of a penny level. I like the 5-day price chart. It looks pretty good. It signifies that the market in Shiba Inu is definitely trying to go up higher in price. This weekly chart, even though we got a day and 7 hours left, still resembles the fact that the market in Shiba Inu is trying to move and it's trying to go up. So I'm still anticipating, just like I did in my last video in Shiba Inu, for the price to rise. I'm looking for the market in Shiba Inu to go up. That's it. Here it is. 6 minutes into the video, and we're already expecting that the market trajectory in Shiba Inu is going higher. Now let's just see how much profitability we'll get out the market for us to see Shiba Inu ride up there to around 1,300 thousandths of a penny. Let's go ahead and draw it on the chart. Okay, because that could give us another 10%. We got 18.25 on the last video. We could get another 10% as the market in Shiba Inu continues to ride up there towards 1,300 thousandths of a penny. Okay, now I like this area right here for support around 1,000 hundredths of a penny. That definitely will have to be maintained for us to really be bullish, for us to really understand that the buyers are still dominating the market in Shiba Inu. Now I'm going to lower it just a little bit further because I want us to get enough cushion just in case the market buyers don't show up immediately and they continue to let the price fall slightly. If we still see the market ultimately hold, I would say around 900 thousandths of a penny towards 1,000 hundredths of a penny, then I'm still going to look for the market to go up. Now, I'm not massively bullish though, because I really want you all to pay attention to that downtrend arrow that is pointing to that line. We have to focus in on that, because if the market in Shiba Inu does not break that, we understand that we need to jump the ship before the ship sinks. Okay, I'm here to tell you all that. Now, let me zoom this out because I'm going to extend the downtrend line in Shiba Inu. I want us to focus on it. Okay. And I have these two lines here. I want us to really focus on these areas. And this brings us to the crossroads right here. Okay, this is the crossroads. This is where the line is being drawn. We really need to focus in on area as time goes on. All right, so I'm here. I'm done. I'm going to take the market that far. I'm not going to go too far for Shiba Inu. I'm not, because I understand where the issues are going to be, and it's going to be right there around 1,300 thousandths of a penny. So I definitely want to put y'all on guard and on point for that. I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and hit me up and let everyone know with a comment in the comment section. Do you think the market in Shiba Inu is massively bullish? Is it moderately bullish? Is it slightly bullish? And where do you expect the market to go? I've shown you what I think. Now it's your turn. Let me know what you all think. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.